Welcome to the second discussion area. This project understands that groundwater management is a human and indeed a social activity. In this session, we consider how we built social capacity to manage groundwater. In the project, we worked with three aspects of social capital. Bonding social capital refers to the social norms that kept the project team together over 4 years. That's the meetings and the meals and the field trips together, that type of thing. Bridging social capital is our networks or the external relationships we forged, and these are so central to the way this project works. Organisational capital is the procedural norms that we developed and practiced to keep our project running and managing the way we wanted to. We had a large project across 3 provinces with multiple organisations, and so there was a lot of bonding, a lot of bridging, and a lot of experimenting and creating the procedural norms. So in this session, we have 3 presenters who will discuss these aspects. Faizan will introduce us to the networks and the norms of the project. Irfan will then show how we built the social capital, particularly through planning processes. And Zakir will provide a specific case about how the linkages impacted on PID as an example of the importance of social capital. So, over to you, Faizan.
Besides the technical stuff of the project, a network of learning, sharing of experiences, exchange of ideas and innovations has also emerged. And this network comprises project partners, farming community in the form of stakeholder forums, ACIR club family, which is multidimensional and has scientists, farmers, tools and technologies, resource material. Another aspect of this network is that it provides a horizontal linkages among departments, universities, NGOs, farmers, extension workers, drillers, youth and women, and it also has developed a vertical chain among international, national, provincial, and local grassroots level. This project has created a positive energies among project partners, which is not limited to project activities, use of developed capacity, active involvement of participation in other activities. This project has also experimented some farmers-led initiative, and it has also promoted multidisciplinary and nexus approach, which will be helpful for the future project as well. The three key outcomes of this project are improved understanding, ownership, and partnership. Positive impacts on the capacity of the extended agriculture and irrigation community in Balochistan, Punjab, and Sindh has been developed to act in ways that better manage groundwater. It has also resulted in some infrastructure, human and social capital built in some parts of the country. There is some change awareness and practice in 6 sites of the project. Overall, these are small steps and continued investment is needed to turn the small steps into larger ones.
Okay, so one of the important area that this project was dealing with is how to build networks and what would be the shared understanding among the stakeholders so that can have positive impacts in the society. First challenge in the building network, and that was an opportunity, is the 16 plus partners starting from 16 and growing till the end of the project life. But you can see that how well it has been integrated into the project life, as all these partners are still together, along with a long new list of the partners. So the networks, we started with the academic networking, we started with the community networking, we have some international networking, we go to the land care societies, go to the international workshops, we go to the conferences, and all these networks are actually based on the norm of the shared understanding that we can see that we shared our ideas with the Australian farmers, we shared our ideas within the our community. We shared ideas with the females, youth were involved, and all these sharing of the ideas and understanding was actually to have positive impacts on the society, on our stakeholders and on the farming community as a whole. And we can see here that all these things resulted in the shape of a combined strategy like RAPS, where community as a whole work together to work for the plausible solutions to the issues. Then we started our academic and research networkings. We went for the happy farmers. We went for the help of the farming community in terms of new farming practices and diversified income opportunities. Thank you very much.
That's great, Irfan. I think we can find a spot in.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The topic of my talk is the increased social capital from this project due to networks, norms, and consequences. And if we talk about the key results, top of all is the capacity enhancement. This is a big achievement, and this is the trainings have been provided on the monitoring, modeling, and management intervention. New upgraded models have been upgraded, loggers have been installed, and other monitoring tools have been provided to the stakeholders like irrigation department and other stakeholder forums at grassroots level. Supportive networks, linkages with the academia, industry linkages, federal, provincial, international organizations, linkages have been developed, and the human resources are more actively trained. Establishment of trust. Seeing is a believing. Field trials have been conducted in front of the farmer. They have seen them with their own eyes, and their trust has been developed, improved. Integrated knowledge base has been established. Innovative tools have been used first time in Pakistan. Gender and youth, how to mobilize them is another key result of this project. And collaborative approach with more than 15 organizations. This is also a unique example of first time large collaboration in Pakistan. If we talk about the key impact of this project, communities are willing and they are participating and monitoring, and users have been involved. Equipment has been provided to them, and now they are monitoring themselves. Improved data quality. Data quality has been improved. Groundwater management practices have been improved, and the awareness levels has been raised. Industry academia collaboration is a good example of this project. Irrigation departments are confronted with the field problem, and on the other hand, universities and academia, they are equipped with the latest tools and techniques. When they both collaborate each other, the best results are yielded. Provincial irrigation department first time have collaborated with each other, shared their experience, their knowledge among themselves. This is also a unique example. Improved capacity and monitoring, modeling, and management is another impact of this project. And I talk about the key recommendation which should be replicated for upscaling of this output of this project, these include establishment of stakeholder forums. Good experience obtained from this project is an asset, and innovative tools, consultation with stakeholders, awareness raising among the stakeholders, use of ICTs, tools and model evaluation, verification, development of linkages, and partnership with other universities is another aspect of this project. And these are the few field pictures, few activities. Thank you very much.